Okay, let's talk a little bit about skin systems versus lace systems. I've worn them both. And lace systems, I did a video on about how I liked the breathability of a lace system and how when you're in the shower, you can actually get through it and clean your scalp a bit, which is nice as well. My problem was I didn't really enjoy the cleanup because in this hot Texas weather, tape doesn't work as well for me. I have to use the Walker Hard Bond. And to me, skin systems just answer all of the needs that I have. So I've heard this: skin's too hot in the summertime. Skin systems don't breathe. The glue breaks down. Lots of different things like that. And what I will say to respond to that is, I live in Central Texas. It has been over 100 degrees. I'm telling you, like 108 degrees. I have been working in the yard just yesterday. Laying pavers in the heat of the day, extremely high humidity. I'm sweating. My skin's super oily to begin with. Then I just got back from a vacation to the Texas coast where it's hot, really high humidity. I have hair on, skin systems. I am in the ocean and I am walking around outside during all that heat and humidity, and come home to yard work and all kinds of things, heat, humidity. And here I am, still with hair on my head. Now, I only leave my system on for 7 days. But whenever I got back from the coast, I actually found that I lasted for 10 days. And I could have gone longer than that, but I want to clean my scalp. It starts to get a little itchy and, all of that. And so you've seen my videos. It takes me, oh my goodness, way less than 10 minutes to, take it off, put it on, the whole bit. So it's not really a problem. It's just a snap for me to do. So it's not really any trouble. So I don't mind changing it. But the point is, if you are thinking, oh man, it's too hot for me to wear a skin system. If I don't like cleaning up a lace system, if you have to use glue. Tape, it's a little easier clean up. Cleanup's real easy, as a matter of fact, if you use tape. But I am way too picky about the front hairline to use a lace system with tape across the front. Just doesn't work for me. So I'm here to say I'm living proof, sitting here today in this Central Texas heat and humidity, that I wear a skin system. I have no problem with it. It doesn't feel hot on my head. And you're thinking, well, how in the world? Okay, that's crazy, because I know better than that. You've got this solid piece of skin on your head. It's got to feel hot. Well, I don't know what to tell you, except it doesn't. I literally don't notice it on my head. I don't go around thinking, oh man, this skin system's hot, or oh, this hair system's going to come off, or this hair system's going to blow off when I'm on my motorcycle. I don't go around thinking about that I have hair on. I just do what I have to do, and it comes along for the ride, and it comes along very, very well for the ride. After I got through with all the yard work yesterday, I came in from all of that. I looked in the mirror, looked at the front hairline. It was absolutely picture perfect. I'd been sweating. I'd been carrying those pavers. I was just, you get the picture. It was hot. It was very, very hot, but the skin system did great. So I have to ask myself, well, Rick, are you just so used to it that you don't notice? Maybe that's it. Maybe that I've done it for 5 years, that it doesn't bother me. Nothing about it does. It's just a piece of cake, easy peasy, and it works. And I have to have that hard bond because of my oily scalp. And I use the No Sweat spray that I did the review on, that you put on top of your head. That's been a lifesaver. So guys, there you have it. If you have questions about skin and heat and humidity, I'm just telling you, I do it. It works great. And there are literally no negatives that I can speak of about doing it. So hope this helps you make a decision. Try it out. I think you'll find, as I have, that it's all a go. Appreciate you watching. Y'all take care. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe. It make me feel really good. Make my day. Thanks. Appreciate it, guys.